Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user feedback collection with Typeform. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Typeform account or create a new one. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the Create a Typeform button. Choose the template that best fits your feedback collection needs. If you prefer to start from scratch, select the blank option. Use the drag and drop interface to add questions to your Typeform. Select the question type that suits your feedback, such as multiple choice or open-ended. Customize each question to ensure clarity for your respondents. Add logic jumps if you want to tailor the questions based on previous answers. Incorporate branding elements, such as your logo and color scheme, for a personalized touch. Once your Typeform is complete, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. After publishing, you'll receive a shareable link for your Typeform. Choose your preferred distribution method. You can share the link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. Monitor responses in real time on the Typeform dashboard. Analyze the collected feedback using Typeform's built-in analytics tools. Export the data to CSV or connect with third-party apps for further analysis if needed. Regularly review and iterate on your Typeform to improve user engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.